Hey guys, so I'm here with the new load for you. So this is trucker one here. So I'm here with this. This is protection pipes what go underground to put the fiber optics. You guys saw maybe along the freeways, you guys see those working crew putting one of those pipes underground. That's for internet fiber. So I'm here because it's a partial video. So I can see my main load here going to California, and then I have this one. So I'm here in Missouri, not too far from St. Louis, and take this to the same couple of miles away from this one. So that'll make me my total gain for this load with the partial. I'll add up another $1,000 for me as a driver. So I was $3,000 in this one. Now I have $4,000 going same direction, same drop off. So I to return 120 miles to pick up because I already passed it until they find it. So I drove back, so I kind of lose 4 hours of today because I have to drive back, and now I have to go back where I was on Missouri. So now I'm finished. I'm gonna show you how I tidy down, and how you guys already know I'm gonna make $4,000 now, not $3,000, and I will hopefully I get there Friday morning so I can deliver both, so I don't have to stay over the weekend, and maybe I get lucky enough to get the load on Friday. So very slim chances, but you never know. We're still looking for the next load, so stay tuned here. I'm gonna show you how I tie down these wheels here. They're not very heavy, it's like 9,000 pounds all four together because there are 4 wheels here. So let me show you how I tie it down. Okay guys, so I can see here they are 2 next to each other, so there are 2 in the front, 2 in the back. So I put the big chains straight in the middle, and you can see this one is going through the axle, but this big one not. And this way is not gonna rotate if one of the chains gonna get loose, because I'm close to this. I don't want the wheels to spin. They put this wood here, but yeah, this is just for the loading. It's not holding nothing, so this is just have to take it out. So this way I put the big one here, and then I have this one going backwards, and then this from the back I have one going backwards, a big one, same story. So in the center here is not going to the axle. The small one, yes, but not this one. So in this way it's not gonna roll. So I have a big one backwards and a small one forward. So in this way they are tied together. You can see they are not really aligned, so probably it's gonna move a little bit now on the road. But this way I put the chains this and this option. So in this way, even if it's not centered with the line, they're not gonna move individual, because if you don't put it like this, they're gonna start moving and they're gonna push each other. So in the back, the other side is the same story. It's just because each one have 2 chains, so you can see here. So one's going this way, and going this way, and going this way, and then this one going straight down. Let's take this wood off here. So you can see a lot of wheels here. So how I said, this is a fiber optic protection. So they put this first in the ground, and then they run the cable, the fiber optic cable in. So I still have space here because it's not very heavy, how I said. So all together now I'm like 15,000 pounds, probably less, because they said that one is 6,000. They said this is 9, but don't look like 9,000 pounds. So still have space here and a space there. So maybe stay tuned here, maybe we can find something. I had the load like 3 years ago when I have 3 different loads on a trip. So it was the only way I make it $5,000, if I remember correctly. It was like a $15,000 the gross gain on it, and I make $5,000 for that one. So maybe I get lucky because I still have a long way to go. So stay tuned here guys, and don't forget to subscribe.